Good morning, Texans. Today is Tuesday, March 31st, 2020, and it's time for this morning's announcements. We'll start with our pledges of allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. And now the Texas flag. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible. Now a moment of silence. All right, I want to share with you a scholarship opportunity, and if you're interested, seniors, if you're interested in this scholarship, reach out to your counselor and they can help you with this. This is the Northeast Leadership Foundation Scholarship. It's a local scholarship and it's funded by our community, and we have a lot of community members who are really interested in having some students from our school apply for this scholarship. It's based on leadership, character, several other criteria, not just academics. And so please check out that opportunity, Northeast Leadership Foundation Scholarship, and they would love for you to apply for that scholarship. And I believe the deadline is in April. I want to say mid-April, so please check with your counselors on that opportunity. Speaking of scholarship offers, if you have received any scholarship offers, and it doesn't just mean the ones that you have taken, but any offers that you have received, right now is a great time to sit down, maybe get your folks at home to help you. Sit down and list those scholarship offers. You need to know where they came from and what the amount is, and then you need to be able to have some kind of documentation to back it up, an email, formal offer, written offer, something like that. What we're trying to do is compile all those scholarship offers so that at the Legacy Awards, we can list every senior who has had any scholarships offered to them, whether you took them or not, all of their different offers. Sometimes we have students who have millions of dollars in scholarship offers. Sometimes we have seniors who have thousands of dollars in scholarship offers. But whatever it is you've been offered, we want to be able to recognize that at the Legacy Awards. And so please make sure that you get those into your counselor or Miss Charlene Jackson in the counseling office. And then finally, Senior Regalia info. Sorry, this was all for seniors today, but Senior Regalia, we are handing out your senior graduation gear. It's a drive-through based handout. Jostens is coordinating this for us. It'll be on the west side of the building from 9 to 11 on this coming Thursday, April 2nd. So this coming Thursday, April 2nd, from 9 to 11, there will be two lines, and they'll be by alphabet. Make sure that you drive your car into the correct line. Do not get out of your car. Stay in your car. We have to do that for CDC guidelines. There can be no gatherings, so we can't get out of the car, take a selfie, that kind of thing. We're going to make sure that we stay in the car, we get our regalia, and then when you get home, what we'd love for you to do is take a selfie of you in your graduation gear. It doesn't even matter if it's still all wrinkled up. Take a selfie. We'll get a hashtag going for that, and we'll get that out. But we'd love to see you in your graduation gear on Twitter. That'd be pretty fun, or Instagram, whatever your preferred method is. So Texans, that's all I have for you today. I love you, I miss you, and I hope you make it a great day.